Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Kailua-Kona local and long-distance movers near me. Kailua-Kona is a city located on the Big Island of Hawaii. Today, Kailua-Kona is a popular tourist destination and home to many small businesses. Moving to the city can be a huge job as you will need to carefully wrap and load furniture and convince family members to help you. Consider hiring a professional moving company to save yourself a lot of stress and time. The right mover will make your move go so much smoother. You may want to consider renting a container and limit the time for packing your belongings before the mover ships them to your new home. Hawaii can be a pricey place to live, so renting a container might be the best way to cut your expenses. Are you looking for a cheap moving company to move your home or office to Kailua-Kona? If so, look no further than 3 Movers. Our years of experience in Hawaii make relocation as simple as possible. In addition, we offer excellent customer satisfaction, making your move that much easier. Why prefer 3 Movers? When it comes time to move, many people agonize over which moving company to choose. Having 3 Movers by your side means that your belongings are handled more carefully, and there is no chance of dropping or mishandling them. Our experienced staff handles the migration process cautiously, making it hassle-free for you. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.